वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन्
अयुण्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
ये ओङ्
ये ओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लण्
ञमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
जभै
जभैं
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफछठथ छटतौ
खफछठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसल्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति महेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
यशुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालो
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपोपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
एदैतो गोकण्ठतालु
यदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतो गोकण्ठोष्टम्
उदावतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्टम्
वकारस्य
वकारस्य
दन्तोष्ठम्
दन्तोष्ठम्
जह्वामूलीयस्य जह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
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 रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो
रामो
राजमणिः सदा
राजमणिः
विजयते
सदा विजयते
रामं
रामं
रमेशं भजे।
रामेशं भजे।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेणाभिहता
रामेणाभिहता
निशाचरचमूः
निशाचरचमूः
रामाय
रामाय
तस्मै
तस्मै
नमः।
नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामानास्ति
रामानास्ति
परायणं
परायणं
परतरं
परतरं
रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
रामे
रामे
चित्तलयः सदा
चित्तलयः सदा
भवतु मे
भवतु मे
भो
भो राम
राममुद्धर।
मामुद्धर।
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातोपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे
संहितेकपदे
नित्या
नित्या नित्या
नित्या
धातुपसर्गयोः
धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते।
नित्या
नित्या
समासे
समासे तु
वाक्ये तु
वाक्ये
सा
सा
विवक्षामपेक्षते।
विवक्षम् अपेक्षते।
सु औजस्
सु
सु
औजस्
औजस्
अम् औक्षस्
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 ताभ्यां भिस्
ताभ्यां भिस्
ताभ्याम्
ङेभ्यां भिस्
ङेभ्यां
ङेभ्यां
भिस्
भिस्
ङसीभ्यां भिस्
ङसीभ्यां
ङसिभ्यां
भिस्
भ्यस्
ङस् ओस् आम्
नस्
ङस् ओस्
ओस् आम्
आम्
ङी ओस् सुप्
नि ओ सु
सु औ
ङोसुप्
सु औजस्
सु
सु
औजस्
औजस्
तिप् तस् जी
तिप्तस् झि
दीप्तस् झि
सिप् तस्थ
सिप्तस्थ
सिप्तस्थ
मिप् भस्मस्
मित् भस्मस्
मिप्वस्मस्
त आतां झ
त
ता आतां
आतां
झ
झ
थास् आथां ध्वम्
आस्
थास्
आथां
आथां
ध्वम्
भ्रम्
इट् वहि महिङ्
इट् वहि
इट् वहि
महिङ्।
महिङ्
Do they know Durga Sanskrit?
Oh, I forgot. I just started Sanskritam class. It goes on. Okay.
I'm
Oh,
surprised.
Vachaspati Mishra also did not tell me Durga. So there is the Devi Mahatmyam. Anyway, we have started. Let us go and do it. What to do?
Okay,
Oh, yeah, you're right. I forgot. Really. Hmm.
no problem.
Okay,
Both are
next
very
time.
nice.
Yeah. You're right. Forgot.
I
What
think
is
we will only uh, change it for Sanskrit. That's why I didn't say anything.
okay? No, yesterday class. Okay, anyway, we will do it on Monday or Tuesday, whatever it is. Monday, whatever it is.
Okay.
Okay. Jalam Jashonte,
Jhalanjashonte,
Jalandashonte,
Jalam Jashi,
Jalam
Jhashi,
Jashi,
Kharicha,
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 Vavasane,
Vavasane,
Vavane,
Chohu Kuhu,
Joho,
Chohu,
Ho,
Adesha Pratyayoho,
Adesha
Adesha
Pratyayoho,
Pratyayoho,
Odah,
Odah,
Dodhe Lopah,
Dhodhe Lopah,
Dralope Purvasya Dirgho Nah,
Dhalope
Dralope
Purvasya
purvasya
Dirgho
dirgho nah
Jashastatordho Daha,
Yashashtatodha
Dashashtathodhodha
Stohoschunastugu,
Stohustunashtu
Tunastugu,
Shtunashtuhu
Napadantattoranam,
Napadanta
Napadantattoranam
Toranam
Tohoshi,
Tohushi
Tohushi
Shad,
Shat
Shad
Dadher, Dade Dhator Gaha,
Dadir
Dadhirdhatorgaha
Dhatorgaha
Ekacho Basho Bhash Jashantasya Stvoho,
Ekacho
Ekacho
basho bhash dashantasya
Basho
sdoho
Vadruhamahashnugashniha,
Vadruhamuhashnuhashniham
Vadruhamahashniham
Nahodaha,
Nahodaha
Nahodaha
Vrascha Vrascha Srija Mrija Yaja Raja Brajacha Shamshaha,
Vrascha
Vrashcha
Vrascha
Bhrashja
Srija
Srija
Vrija
Mrija
Raja
Raja
Vraja
Braja Cha
Chacham Shaha
Shamshaha
Paro Vrajehe Shaha Padante,
Paro
Parovrajehe
Shaha
Shaha
Padante
Padante
Vishwasya Vasurato Ratoho,
Vishwasya
Vishwasya
Vasurato
Suratoho
Sanyogantasya Lopaha,
Sanyogantasya
Sanyogantasya
Lopaha
Lopaha
Nascha
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 Ratsasya
Vatsasya
Ratsasya
Yajnana Samprasaranam,
Jnana
Jana
Samprasaranam
Samprasaranam
Samprasaranacha
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 Skogo Sanyogadyorante cha
Sko
Sko Sanyogadi Yorante Cha
Sanyogadyorante cha
Na Samprasarane Samprasaranam
Samprasarane
Samprasarane
Samprasaranam
Samprasaranam
Shadoho Kahasi
Shadoho
Shadoho Kahasi
Kasi
Naschavya Prashan
Nascha
Nastavya
Vyaprashan
Prashant
Nyamoraswadachi Nyamun Nityam
Namo
Namo
Raswadichi
Rasvadachi Nyamut
Nyamutityam
Nityam
Monuswaraha
Namo
Monaswara
Swaraha
Naschapadantasya Jali
Nascha Padantasya
Naschapadantasya
Jali
Jali
Morajis Samakvau
Moraji
Moratis
Samakau
Samakau
Hema Pareva
Hema
Hema
Pareva
Pareva
Naparenaha
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 Noho Kuktukshari
Noho
Noho Kuttukshari
Kutukshari
Shituk
Shirtaka
Maya Punyovova.
Maya
Mayaknyom
Punyogova.
Bhava
So we have to see from this sutra, Shadoho Kahasi, 100th sutra. Today we are going to see 100th sutra. 19 sutras done. Shadoho. Last class we saw David. So Shadoho Kahasi. In the sutra, Vrascha, take. Vrascha example we have seen. Vrascha we have done. Srija, Vishwasrij. Mrija. Okay, Mrija we have not seen. Yaj we have done. Raj we have done. Braj we have done. Then okay, this three are the. Maybe I will do that. Then we can I think see the sutra. Shadoko Kagasi. Okay. Just as an example, let's see. Some simple example. Mrij Dhatu. Okay. So Mrij Dhatu. Mrij Dhatu. Okay, let me take some simple example for Mrij. Dhatu is Mrij. I will type here itself. All these are examples. So here last example, Devich Ijidhatu. Yakarantaha, we have done this. Udaharanam 4. Okay. So this. Then this will be Udaharanam 5. Udaharanam 5 for the Mrij Dhatu. Okay, what example you will see? Mrij Dhatu. Mrij Dhatu, if you see the Dhatu Kosha, Mrij Dhatu, it is in the 10th Gana, 2nd Gana. Mrij Dhatu.
Two ganas?
It is in 2 Ganas, but we can take it as, let's see. Now Adari the Gana, we can take Mrijum. Dhatu is Mrijum. With U as a ith letter. Content is Mrij only. Jakara. Meaning Shuddhav. Meaning is Shuddhav. Belongs to Adadigana. Adadigi means second group, second conjugation. Parasmaipadi Dhatu. Okay, this I will show you something so that you will have some idea. See, Sanskrita Bhashayam Prayena Dvisahasra Dhatavaha Santi. 2000 dhatus are there, approximately you can say. Right? 2000 dhatus. These are listed in the Dhatu Pata.
Prayena kimartaha? Praya.
Ena?
Praya?
Prayena approximately.
Oh.
Tesham ekaikasyapi dhatoho dashalakaraha sambhavanti. So these dhatu can be, can be formed. We can form the lakara, 10 lakaras. Ekaikasyapi. Each dhatu can have 10 forms of the lakaras. These are the 10 lakaras. The 6 are tenses. Shat lakara are tenses. Another 4 are moods. So 6 plus 4, 10 lakaras. Tenses and moods we say, no? That dhatu can be expressed in the 6 tenses or 4 moods. So lat lakara, present tense. Lat is a technical name, which means present tense. Lung is past. Past imperfect. In English, it is called translated as past imperfect. Lung, aorist. Lit, past perfect. Lut, first future. Lit, second future. These are English translation. But we will see technically what it means later on. Okay. Similarly, lot lakara, lot, imperative. Then ling lakara. Ling also we have 2 things. Vidhiling, potential. Ashi ling is benedictive, blessing. And ring lakara, conditional. Apart from this, one more lakara is which is used only in the Veda. It's called late lakara. Late. Okay, these are the 10 lakaras. And the dhatu, if you see, okay, the meanings are given, but we don't need to do this. We'll do this all these things later. Okay.
This lakara sorry, I was about to ask something. No, this lat and lot, these are only sanya?
It's all names, yes. Name.
Okay, only sanya. Okay.
It's a name given, yes. Okay, then. And the dhatus, you can see, 2000 dhatus are divided into 10 groups. First group, first conjugation. The first dhatu is bhu dhatu. Therefore, it is called, the gana is called vadihi. Right? The gana beginning with bhu dhatu. Second group, adadihi. Second group is beginning with adu dhatu, therefore adadihi. There are 72 dhatus in this second group. First group has got 1035 dhatus. Among the 2000 dhatus, more than 50% is there in first group. Then third group, beginning with the dhatu hu. And the gana is called, and the group is called Jugotyadihi. Jugotyadihi ekavachanam. Jugotyadeha bhagavachanam. Okay. It is like Arihi, Hari, Harayaha. Right? So Jugotyadihi bhagavachanam, Jugotyadeha. 24 dhatus are there. Fourth conjugation, div dhatu. I mean, divadigana, div dhatu, first dhatu, 140 dhatus are there. Fifth conjugation, it is swadihi, the first dhatu is su, 35 dhatus are present. Sixth conjugation, tud dhatu, 157 dhatus. Seventh conjugation, rud dhatu, the first dhatu is rud, therefore rudhadigi, 25 dhatus are there. Eighth conjugation, the first dhatu is tanu, tanadi, who is it letter? Tan is the first dhatu. So 10 dhatus are there, only 10 dhatus. In this gana only kru dhatu also is a karoti, kurutaha. Very important dhatu, right? That is there in this gana only. This is a gana which has minimum number of dhatus, only 10. 10, 24, 25, 35. These are the groups have minimum. The ninth conjugation beginning with the kri, dhatu kri. Kri means to, to buy. Krinati, 61 dhatus are there. And 10th conjugation, chur dhatu, the first dhatu is chur. Chur means to steal. Churadi, it is 411 dhatus.
Yes.
We have been talking, if you remember, Bhudhat, first gana vikrana is Shat. Sarvadhatuka pit prataya, content is right?
Yes.
Similarly, fourth conjugation, if you see, pratyaya is Shan. Sarvadhatuka prataya, content is Yan. And sixth conjugation, again, Sha is Sarvadhatuka Shit. Therefore, Sarvadhatuka prataya, content is right?
Yes.
What about fifth gana? That is also Sarvadhatuka. Shnu, Shakara is it letter. Shnu. And seventh gana, that is also Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Shakara is it. Eighth gana, it is not Sarvadhatuka because it is neither a thing nor a shit. It is Adhatuka. Understand? Ninth gana, Shna. Shakara is it letter. Content is Na. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Then Nich. Sarvadhatukam or Adhatuka? Adhatuka, right?
Right.
Whose content is E.
Yes.
So, why I am showing this? Because we have been, the last class we did some example with the Tinganta, taking the Dhatu, adding the Lakara. And this knowledge is useful for the next sutra which we are going to see. We are going to take one Dhatu from this, any of the Gana, and do the future tense, Rit Lakara. Rit Lakara, that is here. Lit Lakara. Bhavishyati, Bhavishyataha, Bhavishyanti. You know it, right? Bhavishyati, Patishyati, Karishyati. We are going to do that. Anyway, now, coming back to our example, this Mrij Dhatu. Mrij Dhatus, we can take the simple example, Mrij. I give some simple example here. That's okay. Now, Adadi, now if I write Adadi, you understand. Adadi is second conjugation. It is a Parasmai Paridhatu. Okay. Example, Mrij plus Ta Pratyaya. Ta is, content is
Yeah.
Ta. Ta. What type of Pratyaya is this? Sarvadhatukam va, Adhadhatukam va?
Ardha.
Adhadhatukam. I told you, remember, Adhadhatuka Pratyaya, if it is a Chitta, Nitta, Git Pratyaya, then Angakarya will not happen. Right? Here the Upada is short ik letter. Right?
Yes.
Upada is short ik letter. So it will not become Guna. Angakarya is negated. Remember, I told you. If the Dhatu ending with ik letter, then it will take Guna. Or Dhatu has Upada. Upada means penultimate. Short ik, then it will take Guna. Provided the Pratyaya is Sarvadhatuka, Adhadhatuka Pratyaya. And if it is Adhadhatuka Pratyaya, or Sarvadhatuka, Adhadhatuka Pratyaya, whatever it may be, should not be a Kit or Git or Git. It's a rule. Should not be a Kit or Git or Git. That is why we saw Sarvadhatukam Apit. deemed to be ngit. Therefore, Angakarya negated. Remember? Right?
Yes.
So, Dhatu can take the pratyaya either Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam. That is the rule. We have seen that already, I told you. Right? Sarvadhatuka pratyaya, Radhadhatuka pratyaya, it is the name of the pratyaya given, given to the pratyaya which are added to the dhatus. So if the pratyaya is ting pratyaya or shit pratyaya, Sarvadhatuka. Other than that, Adhadhatuka pratyaya. If the pratyaya is kit, ngit or git, then Angakarya will not happen. What is Angakarya? Angakarya is ik anta dhatu will take guna or upada, rasva ik, penultimate short ik. Igata dhatu, for example, bu dhatu. That is the example. Bu become o, followed by with pratyaya. And for this, upada, short, rasva ik, we can give the example of here, viruddha dhatu, for example, viruddha. First gana dhatu, suppose if you take viruddha, atmanepati dhatu, viruddha plus shap plus te. What will happen? Upada is r. R will undergo guna. R will be replaced by var. Therefore, vard. Here content is a. So vard plus a is varda. Therefore, you get vardate, vardate, vardete, vardante. Understand? That is how we get it.
Yes.
This is only just small thing you can note. Anyway, so this is a condition. That is Sarvadhatuka pratyaya, whatever may be the pratyaya, Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam. If it is not a kit, ngit or git, then it will cause Angakarya, provided the dhatu. Angakarya means the dhatu is the anga. Dhatu ending with ik letter will take guna, or the upada rasva ik will take guna. This is the rule. Follow. Right? Anyway, this is just note this, because we are going to, I'm going to say here it is not applied, because here ta pratyaya is ardhadhatuka pratyaya, which is a kit pratyaya. Therefore, mru will not become mar.
Mar.
In fact, that's the rule. Mru will not take guna, it will take vriddhi. That we will see later. Okay, some other example I'll give you. Okay, it's an exception. Okay, this dhatu is an exception. This dhatu, unlike other dhatu, will not take guna. If a sarvadhatuka pratyaya, adhadhatuka pratyaya, follows, and if it is not a kit or git or git, then Angakarya happens. Angakarya would be, mru will become vriddhi, not guna. It's an exception. We have sutra, mrijer vriddhi. We will see that later. Don't worry about that. Let us confine to the example only what we are seeing here. So what I want to say is, this is a ta pratyaya, therefore Angakarya doesn't happen. Therefore, mirj plus ta is mirj dhatu, which is there in the sutra, vrascha, srija, mirja, followed by jal. Therefore, this will be replaced by, jakara will be replaced by muddhanishakara. Right? Then you have shtutvam, mrishta, this is rupam. This is the example. Once mrishta, you can decline mrishtaha, mrishto, mrishtaha, possible. Right? So here what sutra applied? 8-36 by that shatvam, followed by shtutvam, 8-4-41. Understand?
Yes.
Now, this what I told Angakarya and all thing, you can just go and see the previous example. There I have not told you all these things. But now you go and see, you will understand what I have done there. I will take to the Kadanta examples, which we have done before. There we have not discussed all these things. Now just I'm saying so that you can see here, not this one. Okay, let us take this example. Vrasht plus tumun, right? Tell me, tum pratyaya, what type of pratyaya is it? Sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam?
Ardhadhatuka.
It's not even 2 seconds. Immediately you have to answer. Ting shit sarvadhatukam, simple. If it is not a thing, if it is not a shit, ardhadhatuka. Now, adhadhatuka pratyaya, Angakarya will happen or not? Anga is a dhatu here. Angakarya, what is the last letter? Consonant, not a ik letter. What is the penultimate? That is also consonant, not a ik letter. So Angakarya will not happen. Simple.
Yes.
And
No,
also,
I could not understand why not happening.
why not?
Because why not happening in Angkarya?
Why not happening Angalaya?
Because
you
because you
only,
said if
uh,
ik letter
where is the
it
ik
will
letter?
be ik
Where is the
letter
ik letter?
penultimate.
Where is the ik letter?
No, here not ik letter.
That would not happen.
Oh, okay. Only happen when the ik letter is the penultimate.
Yeah, ik letter should be a
Oh.
short ik, not a ik letter. Short ik letter, very important, penultimate. Last letter can be the ik, or the penultimate should be a short ik. That's a rule.
Okay.
And moreover here, it is not the a is the penultimate to penultimate. That also not a ik letter. It is a, so it doesn't happen, right?
Mhm.
Condition, remember very clearly. The last letter must be ik. The penultimate must be short ik, rasva ik. Then only Angakarya happens. Otherwise, no. Angakarya is guna. Guna is Angakarya. Nothing else. Here, shap sarvadhatukam or radhadhatukam.
Sarvadhatukam.
This is the Anga. That is the dhatu. Will Angakarya happen? Yes or no?
No.
Yes, no. Because last letter is not a ik. And the penultimate is, what is the penultimate letter?
It's not ik.
The
Not
penultimate is not ik letter. Not, it's a akara is not a ik. Therefore, no Angakarya. Doesn't happen. That's why simply we're joining it.
Okay.
Then in all the places it is like that. Let me show some Kridanta examples we have done before. Panak. Okay, this here you can see this is what we have done before. Oh, yes. Now you see here. Snook plus Tavya. This example we have seen before. Tavya, what type of pratyaya?
Ardhadhatukam.
Anga, does it have ik letter? Either penultimate or the last letter?
Yes.
Yes. Penultimate is
Hasva. U.
Rasva ik letter. Ukara. Ukara is Rasva ik letter. Therefore, it will become Guna. That is why Guna happened.
Yes.
Understand? Who becomes snow. Therefore, snow Davya. This is Rupam we got. Similarly, okay, Snug plus Tavya. Tavya, what type of pratyaya? Okay, this is the same thing. Gatva Paksha, this is a Datva Paksha. Fine. Now let us take another one. Trich pratyaya. Sarvadhatukam or Radhadhatukam?
It's
Ardhadhatukam.
Radhadhatukam. What is the difficulty? Immediately I have to say. Sarvadhatukam is 18 pratyayas. Tip plus T. The thing pratyayas. And shit pratyayas. This is neither. Right? Therefore, Radhadhatuka.
Sarvadhatuka, we are considering only
Thing pratyayas and shit pratyayas.
tin and ship.
That's a rule. Thing shit sarvadhatukam. Sanya. That's a Sanya
Yeah,
Sutram.
we saw this, but I confused because of this need to be considered also kit like this. Then
That is
some
different.
confusion
We are not asking kit or kit and all. Sarvadhatukam or Radhadhatukam first. It is not Sarvadhatukam. Therefore, it has to be Radhadhatukam. Kit or kit will see that later. Don't why do you worry about that? Just say it is Sarvadhatukam or Radhadhatukam. That is enough. It is Adhadhatuka pratyaya. Now, what is the last letter? Consonant, not ik letter. What about penultimate? Short
So,
ik. Therefore, it will take guna. That
Guna.
was snowed. Snowed. So we got snowed. So everywhere we applied this. Last time I didn't, when we did this at the time, I didn't tell you, but now I am telling, you can understand. So when we do tinganta, it'll be easy. Similarly, tum pratyaya, same, snuk plus tumun. Tumun is sarvadhatukam, aradhatukam,
Ardhadatkam.
adhadhatukam, and penultimate, ik letter. Therefore,
Rasvai.
guna happens. Rasvaik penultimate is rasvaik letter, rasvaik upada. That is, therefore, guna karya happens. Fine. Now tell me, what pratyaya is this?
This is
Sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam.
it's not tin, not sheath.
Therefore,
Therefore,
adhadhatukam. And also, it is a
kit.
kit pratyaya. Kakara is it. Therefore, angakarya, will it happen? No.
No.
Because this pratyaya is kit pratyaya, angakarya is denied. Therefore, snow will not become snow. Unlike the tumuntrich example we saw. That is what I said. If the pratyaya is kit, git, or nit, then angakarya is negated. Therefore, snow will not become snow. That is why all the way it is snow, dwa we got, right?
But one question.
Even though it is Ardhadatka,
Whatever it is, even though it is adhadhatuka pratyaya, if it is a kit, angakarya will not happen. Kit, git, or nit. And
But,
sarvadhatuka, if you remember, I told you, sarvadhatuka pit will cause angakarya. If pakara as it letter is not there, then it will deem to be nit, then angakarya is negated. Right?
okay, there is no rule like this, like if sarvadhatuka, all will come guna. Ardhadhatuka will guna, no.
Not like that. Not like that. Conditions are there. The pratyaya must not be kit, git, or nit. That is a condition required for the pratyaya. And the condition required for the anga is, anga should be iganta, or the penultimate must be rasvaik. These are the conditions. Only when the conditions are fulfilled, it will happen. See, don't confuse.
Yes.
It's a simple thing. Okay. When a pratyaya follows the dhatu, the anga, angakarya happens, provided the pratyaya is not a kit or nit or git.
Yes.
If adhadhatuka pratyaya is kit, angakarya will not happen. And sarvadhatuka pratyaya not a pit. It is not a pit. Then it will be deemed to be git. Therefore, no angakarya. Understand? And sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya, angakarya will happen. Therefore, for sarvadhatuka pratyaya, it should be a pit pratyaya. If it is not a pit, then it will be deemed to be nit. And already I told you, if it is a kit, git, or nit, then no angakarya. Whether it is sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam. Simple. And angakarya happens for the anga having the letter, iganta letter, or penultimate short ik. Either it should be no. If it is a ajanta dhatu, then we have to see what is the letter, last letter, ik letter. If it is a halanta dhatu, consonant, I mean dhatu ending with consonant, then you have to watch for the penultimate, whether it is short ik. Then angakarya happen provided the dhatu the pratyaya fulfills the conditions. Simple. Compare twa pratyaya and tuman pratyaya, the same dhatu, snuk dhatu. Compare twa and tumun. When tum pratyaya follows, angakarya happens. When twa pratyaya follows, angakarya doesn't happen. Why? Because this is a kit. Simple.
Yes.
Okay. This much is enough. Okay, not more than this. You are not doing tinganta or kridanta. This is just to make you see what we have done before. Okay. Now we can go to all the examples, kridanta examples we have done, and we can understand them. Now I am doing here Brij Dhatu for that twa pratyaya I'm adding. Okay, that is a point here. Brij Dhatu. This is a halanta dhatu. Dhatu ending with a consonant. Therefore, I see the penultimate. Penultimate is a short ik. Even though it is a short ik, but the pratyaya is adadatuka kit pratyaya, no angakarya. Therefore, you can apply directly our sutra. Even if angakarya happens, you can apply our sutra. That is different. Suppose if it is some dhatus, may allow it agama. If it comes, then this will not happen. Shaktam will not happen. Okay. There are some dhatus which will take it agama. And which there are some dhatus which will makes the pratyaya. The pratyaya will take it agama. If some dhatus which are set dhatus, we call set dhatus. We will discuss later. So the pratyaya may take it agama for some dhatus. So here it is not. That is why jal letter is there. Suppose if itagama comes, it is no more a jal. It becomes ajadi pratyaya, right? Understand? So anyway, here it is not the.
So this is 8 to 36 is appavada
Shattam.
to jalam jasham to
Jalam
okay,
no.
okay.
Brashya, srija, brija, sir.
Okay.
Okay. See, I give another example. Not this. Pat dhatu, suppose. Pat plus ta pratyaya. What pratyaya is ta pratyaya?
Kit pratyaya.
Adha dhatu ka kit pratyaya. Anyway,
Yes,
angakara not possible. Why? Because it is not
It's
iganta. Neither penultimate is short ik letter. No angakara
Yes.
possible. So therefore, what do you do? Pat plus ta. What do you get? Not patta. This is a set dhatu. This dhatu is called a set. We will discuss it later.
Yes.
And the pratyaya will
Patita.
take itagama. Therefore, you get patita, not patta.
Patita.
Understand?
Yes.
Whereas
Yes.
here it is not. Here itagama will not come. Ta is the therefore jal letter. Therefore, we can apply our sutra 8 to 36. Why it is that and all we will see later. Don't worry about that. Just showing you the distinction. Patadhatu rupam is patita. Brajadhatu rupam is brishta. Okay. Anyway, only that much. Not anything else. This is just an example for Mrich, not more than that. We will not extend our discussion on this further. This is enough. Okay. Then another example we will do. Similarly, Mrich plus Tva Pratyaya. Tva Pratyaya is, again, what type of Pratyaya?
Kit.
Kit Pratyaya, Adadhatuka Kit Pratyaya.
Kit.
So therefore, no Angakarya. So Tva, 8 to 36 will apply because this Mrich Dhatu, Jakara is followed by Jal letter. Therefore, Shaktam happens. Then you get Mrish plus Tva, then Shtuttam, therefore Mrishtva. Understand?
Yes.
This is example for Mrish Dhatu. So this is done. This is for Mrij Dhatu. Okay. Mrij Dhatu, one Dhatu left. That also we have done. Now, and one more. Cha and Shakara. That also one example I will do. I'll take another. This is Udaharanam 6. Another one. That is Chakaranta Dhatu, for which we can take Prach Dhatu. I think that is only Chakaranta Dhatu what we have. So we can take that. Dhatu is Prach Dhatu. Which Gana is that? Last class, remember I told you this Samprasanam and all we did for this. Do you remember?
Yes.
Prach Dhatu. It is the Dhatu. Meaning is Neepsayam, to ask, question, to seek, Neepsayam. Belongs to Tudadigana, Parasme Paridhatu. Now
Okay.
take this to
Takara, Nipsayam or Nitsayam?
Neepsayam.
Oh,
Neepsayam. Neepsa. Nyatu Micha Neepsa. That's why to ask. Okay. Vachaspati, are you there? Okay. What happened? I don't know. So Prash plus Ta Pratyaya. What type of Pratyaya? Ta Pratyaya. Now you know. Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya. It's a Kit Pratyaya.
Yes.
Can it cause Angakarya? There's no question here. Because Last letter is consonant. Penultimate letter, that is also a consonant. There is no equilateral at all. Then where is Angakarya? Angakarya will not happen, but something will happen. What? Samprasaranam, don't forget.
Yes.
Samprasaranam, remember? Prachdhatu, the sutram itself, it was there. 6.1.16. Remember?
Yes.
Last class we saw. 6.1.16. That is Dirghija, Vyashti. Yes. You can let us see the sutra. Samprasaranam section, 6.1 section. Yes. There, Prichati. We have the Dhatu. Prichati is there. What will happen when Kiti Giti Pratyaye Pare? We saw it will undergo Samprasaranam.
Samprasaranam will meet or hit.
Yes. 6.1.16. Prichati. And Kiti also coming as Anuvritti for this sutra. Therefore, Prachdhatu alone became Prich. So when Kit and Git Pratyaya follows, Prach will undergo Samprasaranam. Right? So therefore, first you do Samprasaranam. Pakara, then Repa, then Akara, then Chakara, then Ta. Right? So these are the content. Now Kitvat, therefore Ru will become, sorry, Repa will become Ru. Then Ru plus A, Samprasaranacha. Okay, let me write the steps, all the steps. This is by the Sutra 6.1.16, Samprasaranam, right?
Yes.
6.1.16. And Ru plus A will be replaced by Ru only. That is by the Sutra, Sandhi Sutra, Samprasaranacha 6.1.108. Already we have seen this in Sandhi Sutra. Therefore, you have now Prich plus Ta, right?
Yes.
Now, here what will happen? Prich plus Ta. Our Sutra will walk in now. Chakaranta Dhatu, followed by this. Therefore, we can apply 8 to 36 by that. Chapter happens. Here, okay, here I have to tell you one more thing. That's why I was keeping this away. I'll do one thing here. Okay. So this, by this, what will happen? Chakara will be replaced by the Chakara will be replaced by
Sha.
Chakara. Mudane Shakara. So therefore, what you will have? Then after that, Shtutta Sandhi. So by that, Prishta. That's all get Prishta 8 for 40. That is the example for this. 41. Prishta. Got it?
Yes.
Now, here, what I will do, I will write one sutram, which I have marked it before, here. Okay. I'll show you here itself. That is, if you see the sutra down the left, which I have not done, I'm going to do it now. Okay. I just put it here. You see, she took not 831. Okay. This is copy paste. I have to do it. Okay. I'll cut this sutra and put it just before. Because the example, one thing is you did not notice, but anyway, it's okay. I will tell myself will tell you that. You see this the example, Prich, that Prach becomes Prishta.
Yes.
Becomes Prishta. Here, Chakara is replaced by Chakara. What happened to the Chakara here? Right?
It's both Alpa Prana and Mahaprana will be
not like that.
not like this. Okay.
So there is a sutra. This sutra will be, I'll make this as 100th sutra. So that will be easy. No, okay, I changed. She took. She took is not 83. Okay, it is in the 6-1 section. 6-1-72. 6-1 must be 72 is Sangitayam. Then we have 73, 70.
I found it here. I found it here in 8331.
Oh, sorry, 831. Yeah, yeah. Not this sutra. Sorry. I think I missed by mistake. I put this here. Okay, 1 minute. Not she took. Anyway, I'll change this. One Sandhi Sutra is now. I'll show you that. Not she took. Shrimatam. It is Checha. Not see this. Checha. Okay. Not she took. Checha. 6-1-73. Okay, that's the sutra. So I'll put it here. The Checha. Not she took. She took. I have to write it again. I will do it later. Okay, fine. Checha.
Mhm.
Sutra
Okay,
is
73.
6-1-73.
I
No,
think some commentaries on this before.
we saw this before. Okay. I will just write the complete the sutra here. Now it's up here, the Checha. Okay.
Nice.
This is example also I think I given you before. But anyway, she took is something different. Okay, sorry. She took is something different that we will see. Now Checha. Che is what vibhakti? The sutra.
7-1.
Che is 7-1. And Cha is Avyaya.
Okay.
So Checha. Checha, the sutra doesn't make any sense unless, I mean, no, if you don't bring Anuvarti, it's no meaning. So you have to bring Anuvarti. What is Anuvarti? You have to bring Anuvarti, Hrasvasya from the previous sutra. Please see the sutra pata. Checha is 6-1-73. Then the previous sutra is Hrasvasya coming as Anuvarti, to coming as Anuvarti, Samhitayam coming as Anuvarti.
Yes.
So Hrasvasya is the Shashti Vibhakti, right? Rasvasya.
Yes.
Rasvasya sthane. Then tuk coming as Anuvarti. Tuk is
Adesh.
Agama, not Adesha.
Agama. Yes, correct. Agama.
It is Agama. Tuk Agama, 1-1. And
Yes.
Adhigara is Samhitayam, right? Samhitayam. So, now what is Sampurna Sutram? Samhitayam in the context of Sandhi, right? Rasvasya Che Tuk. Rasvasya Che Tuk. You can write our vrittis. This is Sutrartha. That is Samhitayam Vishaye in the context of Sandhi. Rasvasya. Rasvasya means Rasva means verbal. When a short verbal. Rasvasya Che Pare. When Chakara follows, what happens? Tuk Agamaha Bhavati. It's a sutra. Rasva, short verbal will take Tuk Agama when Chakara follows. That is the meaning of the sutra. Checha. I will write here. See. That is in the context of Sandhi, short vowels when followed by Chakara takes what? Tuk Agama. This is the rule. Sandhi
Yes.
rule this is. Example, we'll do one example. Udaharanam. Udaharanam. See the Udaharanam. Vriksha, this example I given. Vriksha plus Chaya, Sandhi.
Yes.
What do you get? Vriksha is ending with Akara, followed by
Cha.
Chakara. Therefore, Vriksha will take Tuk Agama. Tuk
Yes.
is Kit Agama. Therefore, Kit means it comes at the end.
Yes.
After the Rasa, at the end. So Takara. Tuk is, content of Tuk is, Takara is it, U is it, Takara is the content. Right? So Chaya. Then after that, you can do.
But why the Why this akara will not lopa, right? Akara no.
No, not lopa. Why lopa? No lopa business here.
And
It,
in the
agama
second
here.
step, briksht, brick.
Okay.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, no lopa business here. Yeah, it gets agama. Then after that you can apply, because this is padam. Therefore, you can apply jalam jashonte, then jalam jashi. All those things you can apply. By that, the dakara will be replaced by jalam jashonte. Then dakara will be replaced by jakara. Then jakara will followed by chakara karicha. So you will get finally kshachaya. This is what you get, kshachaya. Understand?
Very nice.
Here tukkagama by the sutra 6173. 73, right? Yes.
Yeah, 6173.
6173. By get tukkagama. Tukkagama comes for the short vowel, after the short vowel. Then you get jalam jashonte, you can apply. 8 to 39. Why we apply? Because see, this is a, you have to take, you can take this as a sambodhana also, a vriksha possible. Or you can take the whole thing as a compound. Anyway, you can take it, right?
Yes.
What is a sambodhana pratama of Rama Shabda? A Rama. Similarly, vriksha Shabda, a vriksha, possible. Either it could be 8-1 or it could be as a compound. If you take this as a compound, samasa, one word, within a word, samgitaika pade nitya, nitya dhatu pasarga yogo, nitya samase. Samase, sandhi is nitya. Therefore, if it is samasa, samasa means samasa between two independent padams, right? Samasa happens between two words. So in that sense, this is a padam. Therefore, takara, tukkagama comes. Therefore, this is a padam only. Therefore, jalam dashante is applied. After that, you can apply, takara will be replaced by, in contact with chakara, therefore, chutva, 8440. Then we can apply karicha. Applying that, 8455, you get vrikshachaya. Right?
82,
Same thing.
8239, not 8289.
Sorry, okay, that only, yeah, okay. Same thing here, prach dhatu also. Actually, original dhatu is prach. Chakara, here I is there. Chakara follows, therefore, chakara comes, prach. So what is the nimitta for chakara here? This chakara. Then chakara itself, what happens? By shatvam, it is replaced by shakara. So nimitta paye, nimitika payaha. Therefore, chakara also goes away. That is why the sutra I added in between. Okay. The sutra already I taught you this. Checha. So explain this example. So better to have the sutra also in between. That's why I added.
So in the Sutra Pata, this Alpa Prana Chakara only comes because of the Sandhi in the Sutra.
Exactly. Yes. That
Okay.
is why the sutra, Checha I have added before. Okay. Okay. Let me add that also as an example. This is, you can take this so that you can understand that sutra. This is Udaranam 1. Let us take that as Udaranam 2. That is, the prach itself I will take that as example. So that this example would become clear. That's why this Vyakaranam Panini is little difficult to teach also, because you have to make it a sequence. So the sequence is not possible. This is like a noodles. If you take one thing, so many things will come. I tried to make not happen. That's why insertion and all things happens. Now dhatu is prach according to dhatu pata.
Yes.
Pracha. In fact, it is with the ita letter cha, pracha. I'm just taking the dhatu as such. The dhatu pata dhatu. The dhatu is, which is in the which gana. I mean, I told you. Tudadi gana dhatu. Parasmepadi dhatu. Fourth gana. Tudadi means fourth gana dhatu. Now this dhatu, how to how to form the dhatu? I mean the derived dhatu by applying the rules. The dhatu as such we cannot take. We have to remove the ita letter, right? And if it is a idit dhatu, then noon, magama, everything to be added. Then only dhatu is ready for our operation. Now pracha is that. So here chakara follows akara. Therefore, we need to apply the sutra and make it prach. So the U is it letter. First we remove the it letter. Upadeshe, ajanasika it goes away. Then we apply this sutra, our sutra checha. By that you get tukkagama, right? Chakara, right? Pratancha. Then you can apply stogos tunaschuhu. By that you can apply prach, you get. That is how we get prach. Understand?
Yes.
So the dhatu what you see in the brashja is prach, but actually it is prach, chakara only. Because of chakara, this alpa prana chakara has come. Now when chakara itself is replaced by shatvam, brashja, sruja, mruja, then what will happen to chakara? Gone. Nimitapaya, nimitikapaya. Understand?
Yes.
I will write here nimittapaye. Nimittapaye. Only that much I will write. Nimittapaye. Then you know what it is. Okay. Therefore, prashta you get. So now we have seen all the dhatus in the sutra. Brashya. All the dhatus we have seen. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes. So, see, that's why all the dhatus example giving is not easy, difficult. How to give? Because it requires so many knowledge, so many things are required. You require knowledge of so many things. Then only we can give the knowledge. Otherwise, how to give this? It's difficult. But I tried my best to give the here. This is Udaranam for 8 to 36. Udaranam 6 to Udaranam for 8 to 36. Okay, for that prach also we have done. Okay, if you want to take another example, we can do also another example for prach. I have taken the example of ta pratyaya. Suppose if you want to take, you tell me what you want. Tumun pratyaya will do. You can do tumun. If you take tumun, prach plus tumun, tell me what will happen. You can do it now. You know it. Think and do. Prach plus tumun. Is it a adhatuka pratyaya? Yes. It's a kit pratyaya? No.
No, not kit.
Therefore,
Angakarya, but this will not.
Angakarya, okay. Angakarya here will not happen. Okay.
Yes.
Even before that,
There is no
Not
ik letter.
okay. Then
But Samprasarana will happen.
will not happen. This is not a kit.
Correct. Samprasara will not
That
come.
is what you have to alert. Adhatuka pratyaya, previous one was tva pratyaya, it is a kit pratyaya, therefore samprasaranam happened. That is the condition for 6.16 to apply. Should be followed by kit or nit pratyaya. But here it is not. Therefore, no samprasaranam. So
Not Samprasarana.
then our sutra will apply. What our sutra? Brashya, sruja, mruja, raja. That we can apply. By that, this will be replaced by chakara, will be replaced by shakara. Because of chakara only, alpa prana shakara has come. Checha. That will go away. Therefore, prash
Yes.
plus tum. Prash plus tum is, we can do stutta sandhi, prashtum. This is the answer. Prashtu means to ask. So you can see the sutra 8 to 36 followed by shtutum. Is it clear?
Clear. Yes.
8:41. Okay, so we can give an example like that, many, but this is enough. Okay, again, this is Udaranam 7. Udaranam 7 for 8 to 36. Udaranam 6 for 8 to 36. In between, one sutra I introduced, that is Checha. out of context, it's okay. It's required for this sutra, this example. Is it clear? So number of sutra now it is increased. So this 100th sutra was Shadoga Kahasi. Now this sutra I introduced. So one more sutra will get added up. It's okay. The next sutra I will see. This is 100. Okay. Next sutra, one sutra I will do and then we'll stop. That is a new one. Shadoho Kahasi.
I have to leave, but I will see a recording.
2 minutes will be over.
Okay, okay.
Okay, 2 minutes only. This is sutra. Now this number will become 101. Because of Checha, the number changed. Now Shadoho, you see, Shadoho is the Sthani, Shashti Vibhakti, Vivachanam. Kaha
Yes.
is the Adesha. Si is the Sakara follows. So what does it mean? Shadoho Kahasi. You can tell. It's a simple one.
When
Hmm.
Shakara or Dakara is followed by Sakara,
Yes. Then
it will get Ka Adesh. Ka.
which will get Kakara Adesha?
This Sha or Da.
Exactly. So Shakara Dakara Yoga Sthane Kakara Adesha Bhavati. When? Sakare Pare, right? When
Yes.
that is a Shakara Dakara immediately following by Sakara will be replaced by Kakara. For example, we take our Vriksha, Vrashchadatu, right? Vrashcha, Visa, Vrashchadatu, same Dhatu you
Yes.
take. There is a Pratyaya, Sa, it's a Pratyaya, Unadi Pratyaya. It is in Unadi Sutra. Just note that. It's a Pratyaya, which is in Unadi Sutra. And this is Kit Pratyaya. It is given in Unadi Sutra. Okay. Just note this much. Sa is a Pratyaya given in the Unadi Sutra and it is a Kit Pratyaya. Now, when Vrashcha, the Dhatu is followed by the Pratyaya, which is a Kit Pratyaya, what will happen? Samprathanam happens. You have seen that, right? Where?
Yes.
6115. Please see the Sutra Patha. 6115 says 16, not 15, 16. Vrishchati is there. Grahi, Jya, Vayi, Vyadi, Vashti, Vichati, Vrishchati, right? That is the
Vrishchati, yes.
Dhatu. So Samprasaranam happens. Therefore, Vru will become, sorry, Vra will become Vru after Samprasaranam. Already we have seen this. Then
Yes.
after that, you know what will happen? This is a Jal letter, Sakara follows, and this is ending with a conjunct consonant. Therefore, Skogo, Sanyogadyogo, Ante cha, Padante, Jali, you have seen, right? When followed by Jal, right? Jal, Sakara is a Jal letter. Therefore, this is a conjunct, and the first letter of the conjunct is Sakara. By Skogo, Sanyogadyogo, Ante cha, Sakara goes away. Therefore, you get Vrich plus Sa. Now Chakara is, now what will happen to Chakara? By our sutra, Vrashcha, replaced by Mudana Shakara. So Vrish plus Cha, Vrish plus Sa. Now here, what will happen? Our sutra will apply. The sutra is 8 to 41. You see the number? 8 to 36 and then 8 to, this is 8 to 41. Applied.
Yes.
By that, the Shakara followed by Sakara, Shakara will be replaced by Kakara. Right? Then after that, the Sakara is a Pratyaya Sakara, applying 8359, that is Shatvam, Adesha Pratyaya Yoho, right? The Sakara, Pratyaya Sakara preceded by in or ku, here ku letter. Therefore, Sakara is replaced with Bodhina Shakara, therefore you get Vriksha. That is how you get Vriksha. The Vriksha is a Unadi Pratyanta Shabda. It is a Kridanta, Unadi. Unadi is all Krit Pratyayas. So the Vriksha, the word is derived from the Dhatu Vrish by adding the Pratyaya, Unadi Pratyaya Sa, which is a Kit Pratyaya. That's why we get Vriksha. That which can be filled is called Vriksha. Vrashchati iti Vrikshaha. This is how you get the word Vriksha. Going to the etymological of the word. So in Unadi Sutra, it's like the Ashtadhyayi, that Pratyayas are listed. Okay, this is the example. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll continue. So Shadavakahasi is done. Okay, another example I have given that we will see next class. Right?
Very nice.
Any doubts? Any doubts? But what is that? Remember, Sarvadhatuka, Adhatuka, Kit, Nit, Git, when Angakarya will happen, when it will not happen, just keep it.
Yes.
We'll use that. Just then, that information is required for understanding the examples, not the sutra, but the examples, because our examples required, no? We take such examples, Subanta, Krudanta, and Tigantas. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. So by December end, we will complete all the sutra. 111 sutras totally. I hope no sutras will come in between, like Checha. Right. Okay.
Nice. Very nice.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dhanyawada.
Thank you.
We-
No.